Good evening, comrades, for this program, and I'm very happy to meet all of you through this program today that has been arranged by the Maharashtra State Bank Employees Federation. It's really a very good initiative at this time of corona restrictions that we are able to communicate to each other on the current developments. Because communication is a very important part of an evolving society, and communication also has undergone a revolution in the recent decades. But unfortunately, trade unions, we are going by the same traditional way of communications in our networking. And the first thing is this corona has taught us that we also have to adopt to this new technology and also the methods of communication. And that way I would appreciate the efforts of Maharashtra State Bank Employees Federation and Comrade Tuljapurkar for this new initiative. And I believe that we shall be able to acquaint ourselves very fast, and we shall be able to use this type of technology networking to communicate with our people. I am very happy to meet all of you. This corona has brought the lockdown, and along with that, our regular channels of communications are also under lockdown. So I believe that this is a helpful way of communicating. I am very happy that this program has been arranged. But corona or no corona, the world is moving. The world has not come to a halt. World is moving, India is moving, the economy is moving. There are problems have come, and especially how we relate that problem to the bank employees and banking industry is what we are discussing today. The things are perhaps moving faster than what we imagine, and so naturally these banks and the banking sector, which are very vital in any economy, much so in our Indian context, is equally understood by all of us. When we talk of challenges before bank employees, it cannot be diverse from the topic of banking industry itself. And banking industry, I don't want to take to the entire history and geography of the evolution of banking in our country. At least in the last 100 years, we know the modern banking, commercial banking has evolved. And then we come to 1947, Indian independence, and then to 1969, a very important watershed decision where banks were nationalized. Again in 1980, some more banks. But again a new pattern had come from 1990 where the privatization, liberalization in the banking industry that started. And it has come maybe a full circle today where FM also spoke of privatization of banks and more consolidation of banks, etc. So that way bank employees in this changing scenario, their challenges are also changing. I would like to address the challenges before the bank employees in two ways. One, their economic challenges. Number one, their challenges which are related to the banking industry in which they are working. As far as our own economic survival, or you will say betterment, is concerned, we know we started in 1946 in the All India Bank Employees Association, where at that time it was jungle law, totally jungle law. Bank employees were totally unprotected and uncared for.